Today is the day where I have gotten everything that I ordered from last week's video. I've got everything and I have set up everything. I haven't put it in the right place just yet. That's what we're gonna do today. So this is what it looks This is what it looks like right now. Have we seen this mess? Yeah. So, whoa. In this week's video we're gonna redo my little workspace, as well as fit this big wardrobe cabinet thingy somewhere in here as well. So that's the plan. We need to get a really good before. So we need to get a really big before picture so that we can redo everything. So yeah, let's go. Oh god. Okay, so I have cleaned everything off in this corner. Empty. Now the only question I have, one of these ones, I got two. One of these ones are gonna be in that corner, as well as that, as well as my table. Praise me Lord how I'm gonna fix this. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. I'm gonna put you here so you can see something. That's great. Okay, whoa, can you focus on me instead? Oh, nice. Okay, so I like how this is looking. I'm gonna have a chair right there, laptop, everything. This is cleaning thing. My vacuum. Oh, hold on. My vacuum is going inside, as well as small bits and bobs, and a nice little shelfy corner. I think this looks good. Only thing I left is hang up, stop, and let's see. So let's wipe every surface down. I like how this looks. So let's just keep going. Okay. Everything is where it's supposed to be, in this corner at least. So it's time to style. Yeah. Table, inside this, on top, and on that one. Style, time lapse, plus montage. We'll see. I'm done. Look at this. Just look. Okay. Do you remember the before? Because I do. Sorry. Oh, I'm stuck. Ta-da! I'm so happy with it. It feels like I have a better workspace instead of in my kitchen. So, yes. Okay, so well, I will see you next week with the kitchen makeover thing. We're gonna paint. We're gonna place one of the shelves. We maybe even do some renovating in one of my cabinets. 'Cause yeah. So stay tuned for next week and subscribe, like, comment, all of that. And I see you next week. Bye.